Good morning, students. Today I will teach you modals. Modals or modals auxiliary verbs which are used before ordinary verbs expressing permission, possibility, ability, obligation, suggestion, request. They include or indicate the intention or attitude of the speaker. Before telling this, I'll tell you what's verb. Verbs are action word, which work we do. What the action, which work we do. Suppose now I am telling you and you can say I am speaking. So this speak word is verb. Here one example is written. You complete this notebook. Here, you must complete this notebook. In this beta, students, complete is given. Complete is verb and this is compulsory. Always modal come before the main verb. Okay, so learner here is written must. Firstly, type modals verb example. Here, firstly, I tell you where is which kind of modals. Firstly, command, and you can say command is order. For command and order, we use must, shall, will. Student must come in uniform. The state shall provide free education to children. Learner, this is to show any official command. In this, we don't force to anyone to do any work. Okay, next is will. You will reach office tomorrow at 10 a.m. with polite way. Students, we can order to any person within a polite way. It doesn't mean this is a order that we should tell in a forcefully way. Second type is request. In request, we can use can, could, will, would, may. First example, when I, sorry, can I have one glass of water? Could you help me please? Will you do this for me? Would you like to have some juice? May I come in, ma'am? Students, here you will see could and would are used for the more polite word, but could is used more polite than all these models. Okay? Next beta. Here is permission. Can, could, may. In permission. Can I leave now? Could I use it now? May I come in, ma'am? Here you can use these words as a models. Probability. It's you can say possibility. Shall, will, must, may, might, can, could, shall, would, ought to. Here you see anybody can make mistake. This is a normal way. Can here I used as a model. The road could be blocked. This is the actual. The clouds are dark, so it may be rain. May is used where the things is tells about fact. It means the clouds are dark. mostly whenever the clouds are dark, it fall rain. Okay. Now advice. Advice is used should, ought to, must, has to, have to, and have to. You should work hard for best marks. I can only advise you. You follow or not, it depends on you. You ought to serve your parents. As same, I can tell you, you follow or not follow this rule, it depends on you. You must read it because it is wonderful. Students must, only must is the word you can use there where I can tell you the things forcefully. So, this was our models topic. I hope you understood. Thank you and have a nice day.